कॉमर्स पे दोस्तों ऐसे बता रहे हैं आपको। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। इंडिया इज़ एन एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री। हेयर 70 to 80% of the population depends on agricultural directly and indirectly. The farmer produces food, fruits, vegetables, etc. for us. This day is celebrated in the honor of former Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh, and as his birthday, Kisan Divas was established in 2001. Farmers' Day is celebrated every year on 23rd December. Farmers' life is very difficult. Farmers are very hardworking. He works in his fields for a long time. No matter what the weather, they work regardless of the weather. Whether it is winter or summer, or even if it is raining, they keep doing their work. Farmers are very poor and they live their life on the strength of their hard work. Although the new techniques of agriculture have helped the farmer a lot, but a small and poor farmer is not able to take advantage of this achievement because they cannot even buy enough things to make their fields fertile. Agriculture is the power of the farmer, and this is his devotion. The farmer is hard working as well as leading a simple life. When our farmers will develop, then our country will also develop. Farmer is our food provider. That is why we all should respect the farmers and give importance to their work. Our late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri gave us the slogan Jai Kishan, Jai Jawan. This underscores the importance of our farmer. तो दोस्तों ये था इंडियन